Hello and welcome. Apart from fundamental analysis and technical analysis, we also, before you trade, you look at the market and the chart. So the crypto market is all about buying and selling of coins, and we will look at what we need to monitor before trading. These particular three coins, which are BNB, USDT, and the pair of BTC, USDT, and the pair of ETH and USDT, especially Bitcoin, you have to monitor the price of Bitcoin before you can be able to go into trade. When the price of Bitcoin fluctuates, it affects the market. It affects the market as a whole. It affects both the ETH and BNB and also other alt markets. So you have to monitor the price of these three coins, especially BTC. To trade, we look at these three coins, their prices and movement. In a normal business trading, you buy low and sell high. That is, buy when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Why should we monitor the price of these, especially BTC? The reason is, when the price of BTC is pumping, the price of other coins normally go down. Therefore, you have to be careful buying coins when BTC price is going up rapidly, or generally when the price is fluctuating. The price of BTC controls the crypto market. But when it's stable, it's good to buy coins then. Monitor most traded coins. Another thing to monitor is the most traded coins that have high volatility. If you monitor any of these coins, you can buy when one is low and sell when the price is high. When you talk about BTC 24 volume top, these are the coins that are most traded. So when you monitor them, when the price goes low, you can buy and sell when the price goes high, because the market is highly volatile. So you expect the rising and falling of a particular coin since it's being most traded. Monitor gainers. It is not advisable to buy coins in gainers tab. I mean when their prices are high like this. As you can see, those that bought these coins when they were minus 1% or any lower percent have already made their profit. Example, we have Wing in the pair of BTC, which is equal to 368.69 profit already. So if you buy any of them now, chances are that they will finally dump. So what this is that whenever a coin goes high and is already in a gainers tab, you can expect it to fall anytime soon. So it's not advisable to buy them unless you do your technical analysis very well. Monitor losers. There's a belief that whatever that fall must rise. Therefore, if you buy any coin here, chances are that they will pump and you make some profit. Though that's not an assurance, you need to analyze other factors too. Other factors like their fundamental analysis and also why are they actually falling and is there any opportunity that they will pump soon. Then we talk about SAT. SAT is the measuring unit of Bitcoin, which stands for Satoshi in full. Example here, we have a trading signal ZRX in the pair of BTC on Binance. Buy 6,200 to 6,220. Targets 6,800 to 7,400 to 8,000 to 8,700 plus. It says buy 6,200 to 6,220 SAT. That's Satoshi. Here I have added SAT. So the SAT means Satoshi. Now here in full, what it means is buy 0.00006200 BTC to 0.00006220 BTC of ZRX. So that's exactly what it means. When you see SAT, the SAT means Satoshi, and when you are given a particular value in SAT, what you do is you make sure that the decimal point is up to 8 places, as we have seen. So you add number of zeros in the front of that particular target or buy zone to make it up to 8 decimal places. So when you subscribe to a particular trading signal, you'll be getting something like this in SAT. So nobody has time to complete it. All you need to do is, when you want to trade, you have to complete it by yourself. So BTC is mainly 8 decimal places. What cent is to dollar, that's what SAT is to Bitcoin.